Hey, what's up everyone? It's John here. Buying your first home can feel like trying to climb Mount Everest with no gear. But what if I told you that in many places around the world, it's totally possible to buy your first home with zero down payment? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to buy your first home with no money down in countries all over the world. We're talking about the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, and more. Let's do this. First up, we're heading to the land of opportunity, the USA. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, or USDA, offers loans specifically designed for rural and suburban home buyers. And the best part? They often come with zero down payment required. Now, before you get too excited, there are some income requirements you need to meet. These requirements vary by location, so head over to the USDA website to see if you qualify. Not only do USDA loans offer zero down payment, but they also typically come with lower interest rates compared to conventional loans. That's right, you could save thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. USDA loans aren't just for farms and ranches. They cover a surprisingly wide range of properties, even those in some suburban areas. The USDA loan program is a fantastic option for first-time homebuyers who might not have a massive down payment saved up. It's a government-backed program designed to help make homeownership a reality for more Americans. So, if you're looking to buy in a qualifying rural or suburban area, the USDA loan could be your golden ticket to homeownership. Next stop, we're crossing the pond to the UK. The UK government has a secret weapon for first-time buyers: shared ownership. Think of it like this: you and the government team up to buy a property. You purchase a share of the home, typically between 25 to 75%, and pay rent on the remaining portion that the government still owns. This means your upfront costs are drastically reduced since you're only putting down a deposit on your share. Let's say you find a flat in London for £500,000. With shared ownership, you could buy a 50% share for £250,000. As your income grows, you have the option to buy more shares in the property through a process called staircasing. Shared ownership is a fantastic way to get your foot on the property ladder in the UK, even if saving a massive deposit feels impossible. It gives you the benefits of homeownership, like building equity and having a place to call your own, without the hefty upfront costs. But remember, shared ownership isn't a free ride. You'll still need to factor in things like rent payments, service charges, and potential leasehold fees. Make sure to do your research and understand all the costs involved before you jump in. Alright, let's head north to Canada. The Canadian government offers a program called the First-Time Home Buyer Incentive. Here's the deal. The government provides a shared equity loan to help you reach your down payment goal. This means they're essentially giving you a portion of the down payment, which is then paid back when you sell the home or after 25 years. The best part? It's interest-free. Now, the amount you're eligible for depends on a few factors, including your household income and the price of the property you're buying. But in some cases, you could get up to 10% of the purchase price, significantly reducing your upfront costs. Let's say you're eyeing a cozy condo in Toronto for $400,000. With the first-time home buyer incentive, you could receive up to $40,000 towards your down payment. This program is a fantastic way to enter the Canadian housing market without depleting your entire life savings. Make sure to check out the Government of Canada website for all the details. G'day mates, we're heading down under to Australia. The Australian government has a program called the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme, or FHLDS. The government essentially acts as a guarantor on your loan, allowing you to buy a home with as little as a 5% deposit. Here's how it works. The government guarantees a portion of your loan, reducing the risk for lenders. This allows them to offer you a loan with a smaller deposit, making homeownership much more accessible. Imagine finding your dream beach shack in Sydney for $800,000. With the FHLDS, you could potentially buy it with a deposit of just $40,000 instead of the usual $160,000. Because the government is guaranteeing part of your loan, you'll avoid paying lenders' mortgage insurance, which can add thousands of dollars to your mortgage costs. The FHLDS is a game changer for first-time buyers in Australia, making homeownership a reality for those who might have thought it was out of reach. It's like catching a wave of savings straight to your dream Aussie abode. Make sure to check the eligibility criteria and details on the official website. Guten Tag everyone and welcome to Germany. Germany has a secret weapon for first-time buyers, KfW Subsidized Loans. KfW loans are designed to support buyers who choose energy-efficient homes, helping you save money on your energy bills while making homeownership more affordable. KfW, a German state-owned development bank, offers low-interest loans and subsidies specifically for first-time buyers. These loans can be used for both new construction and existing homes, as long as they meet certain energy efficiency standards. Imagine finding a charming flat in Berlin that's been renovated to be super energy efficient. With a KfW loan, you could potentially secure a loan with a lower interest rate than you'd find on the open market. Plus, you might even qualify for additional subsidies or grants. Because you're buying an energy-efficient home, you'll save money on your monthly energy bills. KfW subsidized loans are a fantastic option for environmentally conscious buyers who want to reduce their carbon footprint while making their homeownership dreams a reality. It's like having the German government as your partner in building a sustainable future while saving money. Adaween Uil, welcome to Ireland. Ireland has a secret weapon for first-time buyers, the Help to Buy scheme. The HTB scheme offers a refund of income tax and deposit interest retention tax paid in Ireland over the previous 4 years. This refund can be worth up to €30,000 and can be put towards your deposit, significantly reducing your upfront costs. Imagine finding a cozy cottage in the Irish countryside for €250,000. With the HTB scheme, you could potentially receive a refund of up to €30,000. Bringing your required deposit down to a much more manageable amount. The HTB scheme is available for both new and second-hand properties, giving you more flexibility in your property search. Whether you're dreaming of a modern apartment in Dublin or a charming cottage by the sea, the HTB scheme can help make it a reality. The HTB scheme is a fantastic opportunity for first-time buyers in Ireland, making homeownership more accessible and less daunting. Make sure to check the eligibility criteria and details on the official website. And start your journey toward homeownership today.